What I do daily. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink tea. I bath. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I study in the classroom. I play with my friends. I do my homeworks. I sleep at night. Myself. My name is Kamsavi. I am in grade 2. I am 7 years old. I live in Jaffna. My father's name is Kintan. My mother's name is Luxana. I have a brother. My favorite color is red. My hobby is reading. I want to be a teacher. My family. I have a happy family. There are 4 members in my family. They are father, mother, brother, and me. My father is Rahavan. He is very kind. My mother is Kavita. She is dear. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I love my family. My garden. I have a beautiful garden. My garden has many trees and plants. There is a bird path in my garden. It has many flowers and vegetables. Lots of butterflies and birds come to my garden. I visit my garden every evening. I keep my garden clean. We can get fruits and vegetables. My garden is green. I like my garden. My friend. My friend is Sarmija. She is in grade 4. She is 9 years old. She lives at Telipalai. Her father's name is Tekumar. Her mother's name is Palini. She has a brother and sister. Her favorite color is pink. Her hobby is watching cartoons. She wants to be a doctor. My mother. My mother is Niranjana. She is 40 years old. She is a teacher. She is very kind and dear. Sometimes she gets angry. She cooks tasty foods. She cleans the house. She washes our clothes. She can sing well. She is the best person in my life. My hobby. My hobby is reading storybooks. It is a very interesting and useful hobby. I have a small library in my home. I have more than 100 books in my library. I love to read storybooks. My father gives me a book once a month. I enjoy reading stories. It is a very useful hobby. I spend my free time usefully. I love reading books. My favorite game. My favorite game is cricket. It is a team game. There are 2 teams in this game. Each team has 11 players. We use bats, balls, helmets, pads, and wickets in this game. An umpire has to judge the match. It is an interesting game. Everyone likes cricket matches. It gives happiness to all. I like to play cricket. My pet. My pet is a cat. Its name is Poja. It is white and brown in color. It has blue eyes. It has a busty tail. It likes to drink milk. It can climb on the tree. It plays with me. It chases the rats from my house. I love my pet Pooja.